Hi everyone, Daryl here from TutorPro, and today I'm going to take the time to talk to you about one of my favorite pieces of functionality. And that today is setting up and scheduling reports within the LMS. I think it delivers a ton of value and essentially enables you to free up a lot of admin time that would usually take setting up and creating multiple reports. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is navigate to the Run a Report section. So using the hamburger menu on the left-hand side, navigate to Run a Report. This will only be available to those security profiles that you set up with admin access. Once we reach the report section, you'll notice that we've already ring-fenced certain areas to make it a little bit easier for the admin to find the parameters they're looking for the reports they want to spit out at the end. So if you wanted to come in here and look at things for path progress or survey summaries or just training tracking, then it's made easy for you by, like I say, these ring fences around certain areas and parameters. Once I open up training tracking, that's going to take me through to another tab. So I could continue to run multiple reports from this screen, or I can open up my parameters on the next one. I can choose a date range. So we'll do a quick report for the month of April. The 1st to 30th on that one. And we will create a history status. We'll look at failed courses for the month of April, shall we? We do have the ability to make this slightly more granular by adding things in like specific users or titles, locations, and departments. We could also look at a specific course as well, or course type. Like I said, I want to keep this one simple today, so we'll just search with the parameters we filled in, and that'll populate with our raw data. So we have only 2 cases of failed training or e-learning for the month of April, which is pretty good. I could export that data if I wanted to using the right-hand side, or I can use the interesting piece of functionality here, which is to save this report. Once I click the save icon in that top right-hand corner, again, that'll open up another tab, meaning that I could go in here and manipulate those different parameters again if I wanted to, or I can come through and start saving this report for future use. So I could go for failed last month. We could run the report for a series of days. This is going to go for the prior 14, but because it's a monthly report, I want to do for the prior 30 days. We do then also have the option to look at setting up a recurrence and also an expiration. So for example, if you are going to send this out on a monthly basis, you may only want the link to be live for the following 7 days because it's going to be used in a board meeting or something along those lines. Again, we can set up that recurrence, meaning that we can get this exact report to our mailbox every month or week, or however long you want to set up that recurrence for. You can end the date on that. So if it's potentially for a new office rollout or something along those lines, it's a project that's going to take 3 months, for example, you may only want to receive this report 3 times and therefore set an end date as well. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight in terms of how easy it can be to set up a series of reports and then also schedule those out to senior stakeholders in the business. But as always, if you have any questions at all, please let us know.